for the manufacturing industry. And if you see that currently we have across the India we have a good network of service team. If you take from the north, west and south, all regions, if you see, we have 2 to 3 service engineers covered in each region. And in future also, now we are in the presentation you people would have seen that we are doing 4 million, close to 4 million euros currently. In the future again we are expecting another, in the next 5 years looking for another 4 million, close to 10 million we are looking for the business in the next 5 years plan. So definitely we also have to expand our network both in sales as well as service across India in the future. So we are looking for maybe another 10 to 15 people in the future. Definitely we will add more into the service and sales. Thank you.
Ma'am, I have a question for you.
இப்போ நம்ம என்டர்டெயின்மெண்ட் ஆக போகுது பிளஸ். என்னது 5+ OTTs, 800+ blockbuster movies, அதுவும் 1+, 2+, 3+, multi+ languagesலயா? Exclusive movies, brand new web series, interestingஆன short movies. வாவ், இதுல இவ்ளோ பிளஸ் இருக்கா? இதுல இருக்க ஒரே ஒரு மைனஸ், அதுவும் நமக்கு பிளஸ் தான். மத்த எல்லா OTTயை விட மைனஸ் பிரைஸ்ல, அதுவும் ஒரு நாளுக்கு ₹1 தான். OTT Plus டவுன்லோட் பண்ணி நான் என் சந்தோஷத்தை பிளஸ் ஆக்கிட்டேன். அப்ப நீங்க
OTT Plus இது all in one app. உடனே டவுன்லோட் பண்ணுங்க.
OTT Plus இதுல எல்லாமே பிளஸ்.
Yes, as you said, the culture is different, but the German digital quality that always for Indians do, it will always attract us, and we ought to do the same thing. So that's where we are meeting the German standards. So that is what Motan stands for. Motan India stands for.
Do you have any plan to train the local directors?
Local?
Do you have any plan to train the local directors?
Yes. See here, even it is a German company, all our employees are all local people. And initially we had training from German people. They came here and they trained us. So that is when we have the production facility here, and we have a production leader who have got the training in Germany, and with that he had trained the people here. So with the people we have manufacturing the products here.
What are the qualifications?
Okay, it has to be engineering or electrical background. That is, it has to be an electrical background. That is very important because all our products have the electrical background, and also on the mechanical background. Because first, when we buy the item or the parts, the quality is very important. So we need both electrical and mechanical background. So this is. We also take diploma holders and BE. And we also, what we do is we take the freshers from the college, we train them on the products, and then they are with us for a longer time. So that is why if you see that our team is really long. When we started, all the people are with us.
ITA for the start?
Okay, initially we had some ITA people also in our team. Some of them are in ITA also. But now we take only engineering graduates.
I have a question to Mr. Karl.
Yes.
So now that you mentioned in your speech that the Indian market is wide open, what are the strategies you want to research? For example, the use of online platform as well as the digital media. I have a corollary to the question. To what extent do you think AI could be applicable in executing that strategy?
Okay. Well, good question. I mean, digitalization is really important for everybody in everything they do. School children, daily lives, we can see everywhere where digitalization has a part. And AI is the next step, if you like, in the evolution. And everybody in the past was talking about Industry 4.0. This was where machines could talk with each other. And now with artificial intelligence coming into play as well, we've come into, if you like, the 5.0 type of era. what AI does for us is it allows us on our systems where we're often managing lots and lots of different materials, going to lots of different processing machines. And this, today up to now, has always been a manual job of somebody who knows the system very well, being able to allocate as efficiently as he can. And this is a perfect example where AI in the future is going to play a very big part in the way materials are allocated as efficiently as possible, so that we don't have too many pieces of equipment running. And this is where we can then manage that far more efficiently and save energy. Another area where AI can help is also then looking at the demand of the machines that are running, the injection molding machines or the extruders, and we can then prepare material in advance, but not prepare too much and not prepare too little. So it allows then the customer to run a lot more efficiently as well, without mistakes, without the chance of a machine running dry or material not being dried enough or it's being too dried. So all of these are very good examples of where AI for us will play a very large part. And this is something I know very much on Suresh's part. He believes in it very, very strongly, and we're bringing products out in the next year where you will see now a lot more AI on the control side. And I think it's the controls which is where obviously you'll be seeing all of that type of application.
Yes.
What are the plans for providing the service?
Well, seeing service is one of the very prominent recommend for all the customers. Even we are very premium product manufacturers, and to all our customers, service is very equivalent. A very important factor. After sales service is one of the very important factor for the manufacturing industry. And if you see that currently we have across the India we have a good network of service team. If you take from the north, west and south, all regions, if you see, we have 2 to 3 service engineers covered in each region. And in future also, now we are in the presentation you people would have seen that we are doing 4 million, close to 4 million euros currently. In the future again we are expecting another, in the next 5 years looking for another 4 million, close to 10 million we are looking for the business in the next 5 years plan. So definitely we also have to expand our network both in sales as well as service across India in the future. So we are looking for maybe another 10 to 15 people in the future. Definitely we will add more into the service and sales. Thank you.
Ma'am, I have a question for you. Now that it's been launched and way, where exactly you position the new facility in the next decade, maybe by 2030 or 2030? What is the visual expectation?
Okay. When we started Motan, our CEO, Mrs. Wilson, always tells we are a baby. And now they themselves say we are grown-up child. So our mission is to go. That is the reason we are here, and we have bought the land here, and our mission to grow high really in the market. So that is really our mission. And our CEO will say that we are grown-up child.
Sir, one question to you. Now the infrastructure is totally built. What about development of skills here? To inculcate expertise in the staff as well.
We are mainly would like to focus on the Swift Drive Motan brand here. So for that, actually, if you can see a while ago the presentation, we are focusing more on the industry 4.0 and digitalization of this thing. So we are looking forward, the employees, what we are looking for in the future could have the good knowledge in controls, because this could be our investment that we would like to do it together with our employees, not just finding somebody outside. We also have a very good employees, but we would like to invest with them to make them learn about all these things. With that, they already have a good background of mechanical things. On top of it, these controls, we really can able to produce a good image. I would say that the product of future. You could do that, yeah.
It's the movie on the next level.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. Yeah. And you are asking about the next decade, all these things. It's very clear that we have a clear direction and path has been paved, and we are moving in that right direction. Yeah.
Do you have any plan to conduct training events?
Training events?
Training events.
Of course, I think Anand can give us a better idea about this. Actually, every year we are doing that. Actually, 3 events.
Training events. Do you have any
Exhibitions.
Yeah, okay, fine. I got it. There are many trade events happening in India. The major is the Plast India is one of the biggest exhibitions for the plastic, and next is the Plastivision. So every year we used to participate either 2 or 3 exhibitions across India. It happens, sometimes it could be regional exhibitions, sometimes it may be national exhibitions, it depends. But average we used to participate 2 or 3 exhibitions in a year.
For such events, the initiative will be from our side, or it's a question of participation in other events which are organized by you?
No, it's not from our side. Actually, there are already organizers are available, so they will be doing this organizing everything. So they will invite us to participate in that events, and we will be participating in it.
In which way will it?
Yes, of course. See, it's very important because marketing is one of the very important role plays for any organization. So always whenever the exhibition happens, we used to participate. As I said, 2 or 3 exhibitions across India. It depends on saying there are exhibitions also, different kind of exhibitions happen, like segments wise, branches wise it happens. So sometimes regional exhibitions also we participate. Depends on the market where we are looking for, where we would like to expand the reachability is required. Certainly we will do over those places. Okay. In general, if you see many of our employees, they work with us for a very long years. That is how the history is. If you see with the culture, people don't quickly move out the job. Yes, the new recruits, we always have some consultation, and also we recruit through the references. It's very important that we require a good, highly talented people with good attitude to work in a multinational company. So the reference also, of course, we prefer, but mostly through the good consultations, we try to recruit the employees. Later, campus interviews. Yes, in the past we also tried with IGCC. Again, we recruited some of the campus interview, some employees, that means some candidates through the campus interview. Somewhere it worked, somewhere it didn't work. It's all. CPET is one of the biggest industry, in the plastic industry. So we also used to recruit some of the candidates through CPET. It also happens. We are looking for BTech, plastic from the plastic knowledge, BTech plastics, or maybe
Electrical side actually.
Electrical side also we will
be. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much.
இப்போ உங்க என்டர்டெயின்மெண்ட் ஆக போகுது பிளஸ் 5+ OTT 800+ blockbuster movies 1+, 2+, 3+, multi+ languages exclusive movies, brand new web series, interesting-ஆன short movies இப்படி நிறைய பிளஸ். வெயிட் இதுல மைனஸ் ஒரு விஷயமும் இருக்கு. மத்த எல்லா OTTs விட மைனஸ் பிரைஸ்ல ஒரு நாளைக்கு ₹1 மட்டும்தான். உங்க சந்தோஷத்தை பிளஸ் பண்ண போற OTT Plus இப்ப உங்க கையில. உடனே டவுன்லோட் பண்ணுங்க.
OTT Plus இது ஆல் இன் ஒன் ஆப். உடனே டவுன்லோட் பண்ணுங்க.
என்டர்டெயின்மெண்ட்டை பிளஸ் பண்ணுங்க OTT Plus ஓட.